Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to replace our garbage disposal unit. Now, the first thing we want to do is we want to remove the old unit. Now, since this is electrical power supplied to it, we want to go to the circuit breaker panel and we want to turn off the breaker to the garbage disposal unit, and then you want to come back inside and turn the switch on just to make sure that there is no power to the unit. Once we verified that, then we're ready to get to the mechanical parts. First thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect this main drain line here. If we don't do that and we try to lower the unit, it can break this pipe because of the weight of the garbage disposal unit. So we will, all these fittings are just hand tight, so we will loosen these up, and so that it will give us enough flexibility. And then also we will loosen these two nuts here, that with this gasket attaching the pipe into the garbage disposal unit, and then we can get enough play where we can get this pipe out of here. If you have a flexible pipe like this that is attached, this is the drain from your dishwasher machine, and it is attached, and it simply has just a compression clamp that we have to loosen up and then pop off. Now, once we have that, there is a locking ring up here at the top. We will rotate this counterclockwise to remove the garbage disposal unit. Now, it's not a bad idea to have a bucket that is upside down and perhaps a piece of wood to block underneath this. The garbage disposal units have a little bit of weight to them, so you want to make sure you don't lose control of it. So again, I would prop this up, put a bucket, and then put a piece of wood just to support it if you don't have any help while you're taking this off. So when we get ready to detach this, it has a ring that has this locked up into the next piece that goes onto the sink. So all we've got to do is rotate this counterclockwise and it pops right off, and now we can wiggle the garbage disposal unit and it will drop down. And then to install the new unit, we're going to just do the reverse, and once we have it ready to go, we're going to put it back up in here, and we will get the ring up in place here. And then we will rotate the ring clockwise until it's nice and snug and you don't have any movement to the dishwasher, to the garbage disposal unit. Then we will put this drain pipe back in place, reconnect our drain line from the dishwasher, and then we'll snug all of our nuts back up. And then once we get it all back in place, we're going to run some water, and then we're going to check all these points that we've disconnected and reconnected and make sure that we don't have any leaks. And again, you want to make sure that you have it supported, because it does have some weight to it. And then you want to make sure everything's snug back up and run some water in it so you can check for leaks. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to replace our garbage disposal unit.